You probably didn't say to yourself when you woke up this morning that a 24-year-old college dropout is going to help you make some money online and actually make some free cash out money. But yet you're on this video, yet you're here, and yet I'm going to help you do that in this video today. My name is Joffrey Ward, and before I go any further in this video, I want you guys to know who I am. I'm a 24-year-old, like I said, college dropout that learned how to make a full-time income by leveraging money-making apps. I use money-making apps to make an income online. I started to refer people through Facebook, Pinterest, YouTube, doing YouTube videos, and started to make a full-time income. And I started to teach other people how to do that. Matter of fact, if I've helped you make any money online, you can comment that below, and I actually respond to you. I love to hear you guys' testimonials. And I've helped a lot of people make money online, but it was one app that I never could master, that I never could actually put my mind and actually figure out how to generate an income on, and that was the Cash App. And of course, I've heard about the Cash App. It's basically another payment processor like PayPal. Of course, on this channel we talk extensively on how to make free PayPal money, but we never talked about Cash App because frankly I didn't know how to make money with the Cash App. So I've basically figured out how to do that, and I got it down to a science, and I'm actually going to teach it to you in this video. Before I go any further, I like to give away a little bit of free money from now and then. I mean, from time to time, excuse me, I can't even talk today. So if you're looking to get some of that free money, type in your Cash App, because I want to know how many of you guys are on Cash App. Type in your Cash App in the comment section below, and who knows, you might get a free reward from me just as saying thank you for commenting. And also, guys, if you want to make free Cash App money, type in I want to make free Cash App money, and let's go ahead and jump into the video. So it's one website you need to know, and that is freebiesmoneysystem.com. Okay, so that's something else that's popping up, but it's freebiesmoneysystem.com. And it's going to take you right over to what I'm talking about. And it's, the automated Cash App system. Now, let me explain what this is and what this is not. So basically what I just did, I just paid $27 in order to get resale rights of this system. So basically, I now have a system that I can resell to people, and that's basically what this is. So I'm gonna let Bones explain everything else on this video when you actually go to the website, but just for me, basically I paid somebody $27 to get resales rights to the system, and basically I went and created my own website, and I basically showed the website, promoted it on social media. I'll give you an example of it. I'll go to Pinterest. Sorry about that. Minimize the screen a little bit. But I went to Pinterest. And if you don't understand what this is, basically I'll leave like I said, the link, freebiesmoneysystem.com, will actually be in the description below, where Bones will explain everything to you. He's actually a really cool guy. He's a former actor. Well, not former actor. He's still acting right now. And he learned how to make a full-time income from home. And basically what this is I'm basically promoting the system that I got resale rights to, and basically they're paying me through Cash App. Okay, so this is not rocket science. We don't use PayPal anymore. So PayPal, of course you guys know on the channel I talked about 100 different ways to make free PayPal money, and of course PayPal has not shut down my account yet, but it has happened, to a lot of people who were basically using PayPal to, get money into their account. And, it really has, kind of, basically took the whole appeal out of using PayPal anymore. And so I've been thinking to myself, like, what if they shut my PayPal down? Then what I'm going to do? So basically Cash App is basically a way that you can earn money when you don't have to worry about your Cash App being shut down. Okay, so basically it's a direct not peer-to-peer, but direct sales business opportunity. Basically you're buying access to a course, which is the automated Cash App system, and you're also going to get access to the Mobile Money 2019 course, and also some more courses in there that you guys have to see. The YouTube Money Machine is one of them, and 3 more apps to make money with. I mean, it's a lot more things in there that you guys can use to continuously earn some free Cash App money. But basically you're basically buying the rights to resell it. So basically once you buy the rights, you will create your own You, like I said, you'll learn all this on the actual page, but you'll create your own website that looks identical to this. And the only thing you need to do is get into people who want to make money online. So, prime example, this is a actual Pinterest post that I put on Pinterest that I'm sure in the next couple of days is going to go viral. I said how to earn $100 per day using the Cash App and social media. When somebody clicks on this photo, they're actually going to go see this, and they're actually going to want to set up their automatic Cash App system. They're going to want to get resale rights to it. Once they purchase that, they're going to send money directly to my Cash App. And once they send that money directly to the Cash App, then they will receive their own website and resale rights to this system. And then they can go out there and, you know, they basically take this same system and sell it to however many people they want to, and continuously make $27 in free Cash App money over and over again. That's basically what this is. So I'm not going to go all the way into what this system is, because like I said, Bones explains everything else. I'll actually leave a link to this in the description below where you can go check it out yourself. But basically, you're getting automatic Cash App money, and you're not waiting for it. So you're not waiting for somebody to pay you like most of these apps use. Like I'm a big believer in Dash. They call me Mr. Dash. Now I love Dash, and you know, I get a lot of referrals from Dash, but I have to wait 1 business day for them to actually send the money to me. In any other app that I promote, or any other apps that you guys promote and I teach you how to promote, you have to wait until they send the money to you. With your own website, they basically, once they get access to the automated cash system, they have to pay the $27. That $27 goes directly to you. So you basically get that money directly, and then they get the automated cash app system, and then they can go and resell this to other people as well. Okay, so what do you have to do to make $100 per day? So you basically need to sell this 4 times. So 27 times 4 is $108. Okay, so you need to sell this 4 times. Now, in this whole course, he teaches you how to, how to promote in, different groups and things of that nature, and it's all in there. And of course, I've taught you guys extensively how to promote in Facebook groups. So you just need to get 4 people to buy this course through you, because you will have resale rights once you purchase $27. And if you haven't already, download the Cash App. Just when you go over to this website, it'll be a link to download the Cash App. And once you send that $27 to get access to the automated cash system, you will actually get a $5. If you never joined Cash App before, you actually get a $5 bonus, and that's directly, just dealing with the Cash App referral system. So basically, once you send somebody $5, you get $5 in your Cash App. Okay, but you will learn all about that on here. But I just wanted to share this with you guys because I know a lot of you guys want to make some free Cash App money, and this is a exact way to do that and actually earn a legit income from home. Okay, so freebiesmoneysystem.com. I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you haven't already joined any of my money making apps, I actually leave my full list, my full document of apps that I use currently to make money online. So just in case you don't want to use the Cash App, or you're not eligible to use this. Matter of fact, I didn't say this, but this is only available in the US and the UK. So if you're in the US and the UK, you can definitely do this. But if you're somewhere else, you can actually come over here and actually look at my full list of excuse me, of free apps that currently are paying me money. Okay, but I want to teach you guys how to make some free Cash App money. Go ahead and do that. It's not hard to get started. It's $27 to get resale rights, and like I said, you can actually learn a lot more about this on the actual page, freebiesmoneysystem.com. So go ahead and go over there and check it out. That's all I got for you guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Also share this video with other people. Let everybody know that we're on. We're going to start making some free Cash App money, and basically we can do free PayPal money and free Cash App money. So I don't see a reason why we can't do both. And let's go ahead and start making some money this year. Okay, I'll talk to you guys on the next video. Peace out.